Apoto Trip Honest Review. Watch before using booking flights and trips online seems simple, but most people get this wrong. They rely solely on price comparisons and ignore fees, policies, or reliability. Apoto promises a convenient travel booking platform, but is it worth using? Apoto allows you to search, compare, and book flights, hotels, and package trips. The surprising truth is that they offer access to multiple airlines and providers in one interface, helping travelers find competitive rates while also showing flexible options like refundable tickets for travel insurance. Here's how it works. You enter your travel details, and Apoto aggregates options from airlines, hotels, and car rentals. For example, you might find a flight with a stopover that's cheaper than direct options, but includes better baggage allowances. The platform also provides filters for duration, amenities, and loyalty programs, giving you more control over your trip planning. Another benefit is customer support. While some third-party booking platforms have per assistance, Apoto offers help by phone and online chat, which can be crucial if plans change or cancellations occur. Most people assume all travel platforms are equal, but support quality and transparency vary widely. However, there are considerations. Fees for bookings or cancellations may be higher than booking directly with airlines. Most people assume the lowest price is always the best deal, but total cost including taxes and extras should be evaluated. In conclusion, Apoto is a solid choice for travelers who want convenience, variety, and support in one platform. Careful attention to terms and fees ensures a smooth experience. Subscribe now for more honest reviews of travel booking services.